In this video, I'm going to introduce the structure of a survey report. 喺呢個片段裏邊，我會介紹 survey report 調查報告嘅 structure 結構。I'll play the sections one by one and tell you the sentences that you may find useful. 我會咧每一段做個朗讀俾你聽，然後話俾你聽有啲咩句子你會覺得好用嘅嚇。
D. Structure of a survey report. The words in bold are necessary to finish a survey report. Remember to include all these sections in your writing. 2. School principal. Title: Survey Report on Films and Performing Arts Survey. Introduction. A survey was recently conducted by students in Class 3C. The aim of the survey was to find out what types of films and performing arts students would enjoy for Arts Week. In the survey, 20 students from Secondary 1. 4 were interviewed. This report presents the findings, conclusion, and recommendations that have resulted from the survey. Findings.
Okay, the first one you have to pay attention is the two. Okay, here refer to the recipient or the reader of the report. Recipient. 收件人 or report or the reader 或者一個讀者啦 recipient or the reader of the report. Title 就係個題目啦。個題目咧 is very easy to write because you just begin with survey report on and then write down the subject matter here and it will be fine. So, as I always told you before that, the more to some of my students that the more formal the writing is, the easier it is to write it. 即係有啲文章越個格式咧，即係比較 formal 嗰啲咧，越容易寫，因為佢有晒格式俾你。咁例如個 title survey report 個 title 咧就係 survey report on， 然後加翻個 subject matter 喺後邊就得噶咯喎。And then introduction 引言開首嗰個。A survey was recently conducted by students in class 3C。咁邊個做㗎個調查報告？咁就喺呢度啦。Who did it? Who did it? Next. The aim of the survey was to find out。咁呢個就係嗰個調查嗰個目的OK about types of films and performing arts students would enjoy for Arts Week。佢係做一個藝術週咁呢度咧就係嗰個 aim。Okay, and then in the survey, 20 students from Secondary 1 to 4 were interviewed. Here is about how many interviewees were asked. Okay, were interviewed. Were in the survey. Who Who were they? Okay. How many interviewees? 有幾多被訪者啊？寫低呢個字。Interviewees. How many interviewees were in the survey? Who are they? 佢哋係咩嘅背景呢？ This report presents the findings. 呢個報告會話俾你聽個調查結果 conclusion 總結 and recommendations 仲有啲建議 that have resulted from the survey. So as you can see that the wordings or there are a lot of fixed expressions that you can use in a survey report. So let's move on to the findings.
The survey asked students what types of films they liked. 50% said they liked science fiction films. Comedies were the second most popular, followed by animated films. Romances were the least popular. Regarding how often they watch films, the majority of students said that they usually watched at least one film every month. A musical performance had been attended recently by 50% of students, while a dance performance had been attended by 40% and a play by 10% of students. When asked what types of performing arts events they would like to see but have not, more students said they would prefer a stand-up comedy than a magic show or mime performance. Only 5% mentioned an opera. The respondents were also asked what types of workshops they would like to take part in during Arts Week. The majority said that they would like to learn about filmmaking. 25% said that they wanted to learn how to do magic tricks. 15% said they were interested in learning mime and 5% in ballroom dancing.
Oh, and then move on to the findings. 就係嗰個調查結果。OK， 好，嗱有啲咩句式可以用呢？ The survey asked what types of films they like。咁呢個咧寫低啦。Question 1就係第一條。And then 百分之幾回應幾多咧 ？50% said。OK。How many percent said？ 咁啊有幾多人話中意或者唔中意咯 ？And then the next one is if it was about they like, and then the second most popular, followed by。咁呢個句式係點樣樣咧？好。This is the second best, the second most popular. And then this is the third most popular. 即係佢講，如果佢講頭三名啦，可以咁講啦。What the second most whatever followed by whatever. And then 如果最唔受歡迎咧 ，OK， 最唔受歡迎咧 ，the least popular。The least 係解最少，寫低。或者最不乜乜乜。Okay. Oh, how about if you don't want to code the percent, you want to code I mean the portion。你想講個多與少啦，唔講個 number 啦。OK 啊 ，the majority of said that 大部分嘅咩嘅人，佢會有咁嘅睇法咧。most of 就係大部分啦，明唔明白啊？OK， 咁又仲有一個 expression 咧，就叫 regarding how often they watch films。咁都唔係一個難嘅表達嚟嘅，都唔係一個難嘅 expression 嚟嘅。你 regarding 咧，你點睇咧？你就係當佢 when talking about。when talking about， 咁呢個你已經係第一段嘅findings 嘅第一個 question 嘅一啲嘅 expressions 咧，你可以用OK， 好。How about in the second paragraph in the findings? When asked whatever， 當被問到 when asked， 即係當被問到乜乜乜乜，寫低佢。Okay, and then here is the question. What types of the question here? Sorry, Okay. Oh, how about another one? 仲有冇啲reported question 嘅 wordings咧？ The respondents were also asked. OK， 即係話咧，另一條問題啦。Another question， 大部分都係咁講咧。The majority said that。The majority said that。即係大部分嘅受訪者啦嚇 ，most interviewees said that。Okay, and how many percent said that? How many percent said that? 咁啊，你舉一反三啦。OK， 好。Let's move on to the conclusion, analysis, and recommendation.
Conclusion/analysis. According to the survey, science fiction films were the most popular type of film and most students watched films frequently. Musical and dance performances had been attended recently by many students. Students were most interested in watching a stand-up comedy. Furthermore, students were very interested in learning about filmmaking and how to perform magic tricks. Recommendations. Therefore, filmmaking and magic workshops are recommended during Arts Week. Since students watch films frequently, it is recommended that only one film screening be held. A science fiction film could be shown. Moreover, it is recommended that students be given the opportunity to watch a stand-up comedy performance and a magic show.
Oh, go to this session, conclusion and analysis. 做一個總結啊。做一個總結咧 ，that means for the findings. Now let's go back to the findings. For the findings, it's quite a lot, am I right? So you have to put the findings in a few words here. 即係話由嗰個調查結果 就做個總結咧。You use a few words, a few sentences to talk about the findings again。即係你將呢個去融匯到個 conclusion 同埋 analysis 嗰度。OK， 好。Now, and then in the findings, there are some structures. Conclusion and analysis. 第一個當然要識個標題啦，總結或者分析。According to the survey， 根據個文章點啦，一路去啦，係咪？ And then you can use some connectives as well, like furthermore. All right. Oh, and then recommendations 就等於 suggestions. Hold on. Oh, and then you may write something recommended. Something recommended. And also you may use it is recommended that. 咁有咩建議咧？ It is recommended that. 仲有另一個啦，都係呢啲 moreover, it is recommended that 另一個建議就係咁樣講咯。OK， 好。